Summerside, our innovation story and ambitions. Growing our city through innovation. Investment is key. We know our utility is a driving asset for innovation. We lead in early adoption green technologies. We seek investment in green infrastructure and clean technologies. We seek to pioneer advanced technologies in real-world situations. We link innovation to economic development. We built a wind farm, which created untapped opportunities. We learned firsthand the challenge of wind's intermittency and balancing supply and demand. Nevertheless, we discovered a hidden opportunity within the downside of having to spill excess wind power at a loss in wholesale markets. We instantly made big gains in environmental stewardship, and our early adopters reaped benefits from the program. Communicating with devices was challenging. Balancing wind and storage was a constant struggle, and the market was slow to adapt. In 6 short years, we have reduced our excess energy exports from 8.5 million kilowatt hours to 2 million kilowatt hours by using partnership investments in storage and communications, but we know we can do better. Communication, and specifically fiber, were critical elements to the efficient management and success of the Heat for Less program. PowerNet provides the sophisticated tools for Summerside Electric to dramatically improve the management of infrastructure smoothing and the balancing of peaks and valleys that occur from changes in consumer energy demand. PowerNet enables clean, green economic prosperity by enabling the electrical infrastructure to create business opportunities. PowerNet assists in the growth of local businesses. Local contractors will generate additional revenue streams from installing and maintaining ETS units. Just some of our achievements to date created by our strategic investments in wind, storage, and fiber infrastructure. Our next project involves mobile storage devices and vehicles as a means of innovating our green mandate. Summerside's mission is to create an electric vehicle fleet by being an early adopter. We have electrified 3 vehicles to date, and our goal is to increase the EV fleet in Summerside. Our challenge is to develop our infrastructure to match the adoption. While we boast one of the most advanced charging networks in Eastern Canada, there is still much innovation to be achieved by leveraging our renewables and fiber infrastructure, specifically distributed storage energy affixed to the charging systems. Summerside has been a leader in charging technology. Our ambition is to link wind, communications, and storage technologies into next-generation chargers. Our future includes homes and buildings, using cars to run their electrical demands in times of need. We believe that vehicles will serve as another storage solution in mobile form. A living lab is a real-life test and experimentation environment where users and producers co-create innovations. The City of Summerside does not develop or create products. However, we provide a platform for product development, for economic development. Summerside understands the gaps between prototypes and tabletop experiments and full-scale commercialization. Companies, researchers, and developers are encouraged to work directly with the community and its unique infrastructure to further product development in a real-world setting. Some successes to date: 50/50 lottery software, utility billing software, floating manhole cover makerspace, in-road electrical generation, coming soon. In a few short years, Summerside was able to advance its innovation footprint beyond what most municipalities could even think of doing. Accomplishments include a wind farm, communications network, electrification of vehicles, first-generation charging stations, a state-of-the-art pollution control center, and energy storage making. Summerside is an example of what can be done with innovative thinking, open-minded partners, and a focus on thinking differently about operating a municipality. But we won't stop there. Summerside understands that to innovate is challenging. However, innovation is critical to being a leader. Our next undertaking is that of a larger-scale storage project. This multi-source energy storage project is designed for the ultra-efficient integration of renewable and traditional sources of power, and the combining of these sources with mass storage. Our design will also incorporate utility-scale two-way energy flow. Management of this multifunctional system will address environmental, economic, and next-generation energy applications, providing green energy when it is needed, just as transmission provides energy where it is needed. We have an ambition to use smarter storage to displace diesel. If we say we are green, we better act that way. We must begin planning to add additional green generating capacity to our portfolio, and this renewable must integrate utility-scale storage. We know that the combination of solar and large-scale storage is the only way to make it work. Leveraging our built infrastructure and expertise enables us to be more effective. Although still a few years away, the planning must begin today. Linking our assets for maximum efficiency, adding more smart devices to enable two-way empowerment of energy consumption, and providing a platform for the mutual benefit of service providers and consumers is where Summerside is moving towards. We have begun the smart grid network, but more work is necessary, and attracting global partners and strategic investment will make Summerside a true smart grid community. The vision we have in our sights is the positioning and growing of Summerside as a center of excellence which attracts renewable innovation leaders, creates economic opportunity and sustainability in a strategic way, and builds a strong commercial and industrial tax base, increasing the diversity and resilience of the economy through innovation. Our goal is to begin researching the feasibility of establishing Summerside as the national center of renewable innovation to further our pursuit of innovation. An eco-industrial park is an industrial park in which businesses cooperate with each other and with the local community in an attempt to reduce waste and pollution, efficiently share resources such as information, materials, water, energy, infrastructure, and natural resources, and help achieve sustainable development with the intention of increasing economic gains and improving environmental quality. The leveraging of infrastructure investment will provide a more focused development approach. We believe that in order to truly grow our community, the establishment of a new business park to house firms to participate daily in the evolution of economic growth is key. Planning has been in the works for several years, and now with the evolution of our traditional sectors and our advancement in innovation, we see this project moving forward with a very real purpose. Our goal is to attract partners to work with Summerside in realizing this ambition in the coming years. This is only part of the picture of our achievements and ambitions to date. We have a collective opportunity to continue to innovate, lead, and attract global attention in growing our sectors of excellence, advance innovation in burgeoning fields, and provide value and leadership to our community. We know where we want to go, and we need partners to help us get there. Our collective opportunity to continue to be the innovation leader in Canada. Let's build the future together.